In the vast ocean of online business ventures, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and discouraged. So take a deep breath, gather your strength, and let's dive into the depths of your entrepreneurial journey. Financial prosperity is a goal shared by many individuals seeking stability and abundance in their lives. One effective way to pursue this is by venturing into the world of online business. The internet provides vast opportunities to create wealth and achieve financial independence. Here are some key steps to help you on your journey to prosperity. Identify a niche. Start by identifying a niche or market that you are passionate about and interested in. This will ensure that you stay motivated and dedicated throughout your online business journey. Research the market demand and competition within your chosen niche to make informed decisions.
You have the look of a man who accepts what he sees because he is expecting to wake up. Ironically, this is not far from the truth.
Develop a solid business plan. A well-thought-out business plan is essential for success. Define your business objectives, target audience, products or services, marketing strategies, and financial projections. Having a clear roadmap will guide your decisions and help you stay focused.
It's just money. It's made up. Pieces of paper with pictures on it so we don't have to kill each other just to get something to eat.
Build an engaging online presence. Establishing a strong online presence is crucial. Create a professional website or e-commerce platform that showcases your products or services. Optimize your website for search engines and make it user-friendly. Additionally, leverage social media platforms, content marketing, and email marketing to engage with your target audience and build a loyal customer base. Provide value and exceptional customer service. Focus on delivering value to your customers. Offer high-quality products or services that solve their problems or fulfill their needs. Provide excellent customer service to build trust and loyalty. Satisfied customers are more likely to become repeat buyers and refer others to your business.
Let me tell you something. There is no nobility in poverty. I have been a rich man and I have been a poor man, and I choose rich every fucking time. Because at least as a rich man, when I have to face my problems, I show up in the back of a limo.
Implement effective marketing strategies. Implement various marketing strategies to drive traffic to your online business. Utilize search engine optimization, SEO techniques to improve your website's visibility on search engines. Use social media advertising, pay-per-click, PPC campaigns, and influencer marketing to reach a wider audience. Regularly analyze and optimize your marketing efforts to maximize your return on investment.
I have successfully privatized world peace. What more do you want? For now! I try to play ball with these ass clowns.
Diversify your income streams. Explore multiple income streams to enhance your financial prosperity. Consider offering complementary products or services, creating digital products, or joining affiliate marketing programs. Diversifying your revenue sources will provide stability and help you weather any fluctuations in the market.
So if you can't beat them, buy them.
I remember the first time I saw that name stretched across your stand out there. It was love at first sight. I knew right then and there I had to have it.
Continuously learn and adapt. The online business landscape is ever evolving, so it's essential to stay updated with industry trends and technologies. Continuously educate yourself through books, courses, webinars, and networking events. adapt your strategies as needed to stay ahead of the competition and seize new opportunities. As you embarked on your online business journey, you soon realized that success wouldn't come easily. The road ahead was filled with hurdles, unexpected twists, and sleepless nights. Doubts began to creep in, whispering that maybe it wasn't meant to be. But remember, the most extraordinary achievements are born from perseverance. Embrace the struggle, for it is in these difficult moments that you grow, learn, and become stronger.
Why, Mr. Anderson? Why? Why do you persist?
Because I choose to.